Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add home button on iPhone. To start the process, open your settings in your iPhone. Then scroll down until you get the option of accessibility. Again, scroll down and tap on touch. Here tap on assistive touch. Now turn the toggle on for assistive touch. As you can see, the home button has appeared on screen. After that, tap on single tap. Now select home from the given list. Then go back to the home page. As you can see, your home button is successfully working. This is how you can add a home button on your iPhone screen. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.